Acme's lithium battery processing system, developed for Singaporean clients, not only handles pretreatment of retired lithium batteries but also performs pyrolysis calcination of ternary polymer lithium battery black mass. What others find a headache, the challenge of processing waste lithium batteries, they've elevated to new heights of circular regeneration. One system, two uses. It's a win-win situation. Used lithium batteries go in and come out as valuable metals like black mass, copper powder, and aluminum powder. Sealed crushing prevents risks, while precise pyrolysis converts organic matter into gas, which is then thoroughly purified through a dedicated exhaust system. It can simultaneously handle the pyrolysis and calcination of ternary battery black mass. After calcination, the black powder is screened and packaged as finished product. Modular design with full process temperature and pressure monitoring ensures both safety and efficiency. This isn't just a processing euipment, it's a gold processing plant for retired lithium batteries.